Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to yet another amazing video coming live from this amazing place. As you can see, my people, I'm looking for firewood, so you are not ready. So make sure you give this video a like, leave a comment below, and make sure you have subscribed and turn that notification bell on. So on today's video, you can see I'm looking for firewood, and we are about to boil a medicine, a traditional medicine that is very effective from this place, wilderness itself though. So stay tuned, sit there, make sure you give this video a like, a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and tell me how you feel about this amazing video. So my people, you can see I have aloe vera right here. This is the natural aloe vera actually, and I want to boil it, and I'll have to remain with a little bit so that I can apply it on my face. This one is a real deal, my people. You can see this is aloe vera, natural one, the natural aloe vera, not the ones that you get in skincare product or at the shops. No, this is a natural aloe vera. My people, you can see I have aloe vera right here. It's a skincare. You can apply it on your skin, on your face. After sunburn, probably you went outside and there was a lot of sun outside there. So you need aloe vera. Actually, many people usually sell them in the supermarket, in shops. You'll always find aloe vera in small containers. But today here I have the natural aloe vera and I'm going to apply it on my face because this is a natural remedy. And also aloe vera, you can drink it. So let me try it. I'm removing the outer part so that I can get the juice. The juice is here. The juice. Ooh. Like this is pure aloe vera. You can see the way it's slimy. Pure aloe vera. Even this one has a lot of it. It has a lot of aloe vera. Yeah, I'll have to conserve this because aloe vera is very expensive, even in shops, supermarkets. If you have a natural one, then thank God because you are blessed. You know, your skin have to be clear. Your skin should be your number one priority and it has to be clear. This one, I'm keeping it. But oh my God. Oh my God. I can't explain the feeling, guys. Let's wait for some few minutes so that it... Let's see. This is the color. So this aloe vera, you can drink it if you are having constipation. So the main reason for boiling it is for constipation. So you can boil aloe vera or you can apply it naturally on your skin. You can see. So oh my god, very bitter. This one is very bitter. That aloe vera right there, I'll have to let it cool down a little bit so that we can drink it, because at the end of the day, even the medicine that you buy at the chemist, they are usually bitter. So anything natural, it's 100% bitter. So make sure you watch this video from the start to the end. Like, leave a comment below, and make sure to turn on that notification bell so that whenever I post, you are notified.